Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Coding with Ankit. Today we will solve Leetcode problem. Let's get started. So today's problem is longest substring without repeating character. Problem number 3. It's a medium time problem. Let's look this problem in Leetcode first. So in the description mention given a string s, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. So we have to find the longest substring without repeating character. That means there will be no duplicate characters. Example, you can see in example we have given a string which contains ABC, ABC and then 2 times B. So longest substring, that means string will be part of this. We will not change the order. So we can start from the first character. We can see we have A, B, C. There in these three character there is no duplicate. So that's the maximum substring we can count, and which is 3. Then again we are getting ABC, so that is duplicate. Then B 2 times, that is also duplicate. So max we can get 3 as the longest without repeating any character. In the second case we have only 1 because all the characters are B only. In third also we have P W W K E W. So here if you count WKE, then these are the 3 characters which is not duplicate, and that's a maximum length I can see. If you consider PWW, then again it's a duplicate. W is coming 2 times. PW, if you consider, that is 2, so it is less than 3. Like that, the answer will be 3 only here. So this kind of a problems comes under a sliding window concept. We can use sliding window concept to solve this problem, where what will happen, we will create a sliding window, and the maximum length of that sliding window will be your answer. Let's consider, if you try to check here, if you have ABC and double B. Let's take this example and see how we will solve this problem. I have taken the same string ABC, ABC double B, and the maximum length I'm starting at setting as a 0 value. So what we will do, we will create 3 pointer. First one to keep the maximum length. Second one is left index and right index. Third value is right index. So we have 2 pointer, left and right, and both will be pointing to 0th index. And the character at 0th index is A. And what we will do, we will keep on incrementing the right index value so that our sliding window size will get increased until we will find something duplicate. If we find duplicate, then we have to move our left pointer as well to that next of that duplicate. Let's start with this and we'll see. So first our left pointer and right pointer will point to A only. Now first we will check at the right pointer, the value is A, and what we will do, we will create a hash map also, where we will keep each character and their index value, and those index value we will be using here. So how we will use it, I will tell you. So first we got A as a character, we will store this A into hash map, and that A index value is 0. Then we will increment the right pointer, it will come to first index. Left will be at 0 index only, we will not change the 0th index. And also we will change the max length. Max length is right now, earlier it was 0, now we got 1, so maximum length is 1. Then right is pointing to B. At B, we will check if hasmap contain this character or not. Hasmap only contains A only, so we will store this B also, and we will store this B index value as a value. So it will we will store B comma 1 at the hasmap, and then we will check the maximum length. Right now, how we will get the maximum length? We will get the length from left right minus left plus 1. So whatever value we'll get, right minus left minus minus left plus 1. That means right value is 1, left value is 0, it will become 1, and then plus 1. Basically the count of how many characters are available between left and right. So there are two characters available right now that we are finding through right minus left plus 1. So earlier the max value is 1, now we got 2. So max value now will become, max length will become 2. Then we will increment right value, it will come to second index, left will be at same index. Now C, we got the character, new character, which is also not there in hash map because right now we have only A and B. So first what we will do, we will try to get the length. How we'll get it? Here we have three character, and how we will get it? Right minus left plus 1. Right value is 2 minus 0 plus 1, that means 3. Three characters are there in this length. Maximum length is 2, so now it will become 3. We'll change the right pointer, left pointer will be same now. And also we'll store this into hash map. So now hash map contain a, B, C. A with value 0, B value is 1, and C value is 2. Now we got 1. Now we will check this. Now we reach at second index, first, second, third index. And third index we have value A. And A value is already there in hash map because we already seen this character. You can see it is already there in the hash map, and we already get this character at the first zeroth index. So once we get this character which is already there in the hash map, so what we have to do, we have to increment our left pointer. And where exactly we have to move left pointer? Left pointer till to the next character where we have seen the same character. So here A is available at 0, so we have to move A from left to, from 0 to 1. Now it will point to 1 where B is located, and right will be at same location. So here again we will try to find the length now. Length will be again same because three characters are there. So right minus left plus 1 will become 3, and maximum length is already 3, so there will be no change in max length. Now we will increment the right value, it will come to B. B again is already there, so same way whatever value it can store, there we will add 1 and then move our left to that location. So B is containing 1, 1 plus 1 it will become 2, so now left will point to 2. Same way now max value will be not changed because you can see in yellow color there are three character only, and this is our window which we are trying to slide. It started from 0 1 2, now it moved to 1 2 3, now it moved to 2 3 4. So size will be same only, and that's the maximum size, actually our answer. The maximum size of the window, that is our answer. You can say max length is 3, and that's the maximum size of the sliding till now. Last, if you go move all, if I move to next, when we we move our right pointer to C, C is also there already, so we'll move our left to A location because C is storing value 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So now left is pointing to A, and here also still the sliding window size is 3 only, that's why maximum length is 3. Now we are getting B in the right pointer, B we are getting, then we have to change. Now you can see right left is pointing right now A, but now we are moving left to C because B is located at fourth index, so we have to move our left to fifth index. So now left is pointing to C and right is pointing to B. Same way we will move B again, then again B is already there, so we have to move our left pointer also, so it will point to the last character, that is B. So left or right is both pointing to this. And till now you can see the in yellow color there is only three characters is coming under one window, and that's our maximum length. So let's write the code and see if this logic is working or not. We'll be using sliding window concept where sliding window size is getting changed. There are two types of sliding window concept. One is fixed size and variable size. So we are using basically variable size because size of the window is getting changed. We'll create three pointer. First one is max length, which is 0. Then left pointer, which is also 0. Then right pointer, which is also 0. And then we'll create a for loop, while loop basically. While loop with right pointer, right will be less than length, s of length, till the length of the string we have to move this right pointer, and inside this we will increment the right pointer, right plus plus. Now inside this, what we will do, also we have to create a hash map. If you don't want to use hash map, then the time complexity will be going. For that, we have to create two loop, like one loop. Inside that, one more loop we have to create, and to avoid that, so that we will get our time complexity in linear time, we are using hash map. M hash map. So I've created a hash map where key will be as a character and value will be integer value. Inside this, we will check if hash map contains key. We will try to fetch the character first. Char ch equal to s dot char at right pointer. We'll take the character from right pointer, and that character we will check if it is there in the hash map or not. If it is there, and get ch, the value of this is greater or equal to left, then only we will change the left pointer. Left pointer will be changed to hm.get ch plus 1. Next character where we have stored the index of this one. If this condition is not true, by default what we have to do, we have to store the character in the map, and value will be right pointer. Also we have to change the max length. Max length equal to math dot max of max length, comma, right minus left plus 1. Basically that's how many characters are there between left and right. So that we are finding through this. And then once we change this max length, we are putting value in the character, we are changing it. At the last, we don't have to do anything. We'll just return this max length. Let's run this code and see if it is working or not. So it's working fine with all the test cases. Let's submit the code. So it's working with all the test cases. So here you can see I've created 3 pointer, one hash map to keep track of all the characters we have found till yet, one while loop, and inside that we are trying to get the character from using right pointer. We are checking if it is already there, then we are trying to fetch the index value and then making the left pointer, moving the left pointer. Else we will always increment the right pointer, and always we will check the max length and change the max length value and then put the correct character in the hash map. And the last we are returning max length. So time complexity of this algorithm is big O of n, because we are doing looping in string only once. We are not creating multiples for loop because with the help of hash map. And what will be the size of hash map? It could be the length of the string, or it could be the maximum uh, length of character set. Like inside character set we have 26 characters, so we can have 26 character length of this hash map. So minimum value of these two, whatever minimum will be there, that will be the space complexity of this algorithm. Let's consider if n is the length of the string, so n comma m will be the size of the character sublab used from the character set, from the 26 character set. So that's about this longest substring without repeating characters problem. We are using sliding window concept to solve this problem. You can see we are also using hash map, and we have solved this problem in big O of n time. So that's about it. Thank you for watching my video.